Embark on an extraordinary journey into student living paradise at Forest Court, nestled in the heart of Loughborough. With a range of lavish options including one-bedroom flats, ensuite rooms, and studios, you'll have everything you need under one roof. Dive into a world of opulence with a brand-new heated outdoor swimming pool, sprawling green spaces, and spacious rooms boasting ensuite facilities and sleek open-plan kitchens complete with flat-screen TVs. Forest Court is your ticket to endless entertainment, boasting a state-of-the-art gym, a movie theater equipped with a pool table and Netflix, a cozy study space for those all-important group sessions, a coin-operated laundromat accessible 24/7, an on-site office, and a vibrant outdoor barbecue area. The property is conveniently located just a hop, skip, and an intellectual leap away from prestigious institutions like Loughborough College and the University of Loughborough. When it's time to unwind, venture just a short drive to the Tap and Clapper for delectable drinks or stroll over to the Carillon Court Shopping Center for a retail therapy fix. And for those unforgettable Friday nights, Goodloe's Bar beckons just minutes away. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home at amberstudent.com and create memories that last a lifetime.